Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make chili beef nachos made with seasoned ground beef and melted cheese on top. It's a great snack or appetizer for any party or get together. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients to make this recipe. To make this dish, you can use either black or red beans. Today I'm using black beans. Wash it, soak for about 8 hours or leave it overnight. You can also use canned beans as well. Pressure cook and keep it aside. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 chopped onion and fry it for a minute. Now push the onion to one side of the pan and add the ground beef. This is half a kilo beef. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. Meat is cooked well. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it well. I'm adding 1 tomato chopped, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Give it a mix. Let the spices cook for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt for the whole dish. Add the boiled black beans. Give it a mix. Mash the beans to get it incorporated. Add some chopped cilantro. Give all this a nice mix. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now let's arrange the beef nachos. Spread some nacho chips out onto a baking tray. Spoon and sprinkle the ground beef mixture over the chips. Top nachos with some jalapenos. some beans on top, some grated cheddar cheese, repeat the same process. This goes into the oven. Let it cook approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Chili beef nachos is beautifully done. Top with some chopped green onions, tomatoes and avocado. Serve them while they are hot. You can make your own adjustments to this recipe, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's a great snack to enjoy with your dear ones and friends. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.